guys, welcome back to Crafting Yum. This is Urja, and I haven't uploaded a video for a long time. My exams were coming, so I was busy preparing for them. But now I have made a video. So in this video, we're gonna make it's a super tiny bag. You can use it for a doll. So it's not really a size. You can use any size of bag you want. So I use a paper of 10 by 10 centimeter for it. You can use any size depending upon how much big you want. So let's get started in the video. So guys, first of all, take a square. You can use any size you want, but I took a square of 10 by 10 centimeter. Then you have to fold it into a triangle and into another triangle. Now you have to fold each corner to the center. After this, you have to flip it over and do the same thing with the all four corners once again. You have to make two like this from the same paper, then once again from the first one, flip it over and fold all the corners to the center point. Next, you will see triangles with little lines cut it through them. So now you have to just take them out and fold them into a rectangle like this. So this is a very careful step. You have to do it nicely. Sometime people get stuck over here. So you have to do this with the one and fold all the corners nicely. Then take the another one, take the triangle and fold it backwards. Fold it into a rectangle once again and fold the corners of the upper two squares into the center. Next, flip it over and you have to do the same thing that you did with the others, but on the three sides you have to do it. On the two corners it must be a little bit difficult, but you have to do it on all the three sides. Then you have to try to put them in the gaps between them like this so that it makes a cube. Right now it must be difficult, so you just grab a pair of scissors and cut it into a cone like shape and cut its corners into a triangle shape. Now it would fit very easily. You can even use tape for this. If you're not able to do it nicely, you can use tape to fix it. So now it's ready. So for the one closing of it, take a rectangular paper, fold it in half, apply some glue so that it folds into a pocket like thing, so that you can just there's space but not at the bottom, on the sides. You have to let it stick nicely for 5 to 10 minutes so that it would stick nicely and it would be easier to cut it, so it's not soggy anymore, like the paper gets really wet kind of thing. So it's been settling for around 15 to 20 minutes and it's completely dried. Now you just have to once again fold it into you have to cut it the corners of the paper, and then you just have to do the same thing you did. You have to add it in this area, and then you have to nicely cut it so that it fits perfectly. Then you fold it accordingly how much paper you require, and I need only this much as it will go till the back, so I will cut it over here and make nice foldable creases. To stick it nicely, and you can decorate it as the way you wish. So I have decorated whole of it. It's looking really pretty cute. So I added a little bead and I made a heart. I covered it with tape from all the sides, and I did a mistake, as you have to put the triangle area at the center, at the bottom where it goes, and there is enough space to put the stuff you want for your dolls. So if you like this video, share the video, subscribe to Craft Kingdom, and this is what we made in today's video. Guys, our tiny bag is is ready, so I don't know how to just say it, but I think it's really pretty. It's just a little bit tiny, so yeah, I love it. I just put it a little bead over here, made a heart, and just decorated with beautiful tape, so you can just open it up like this, and there's space to keep your dolls, books, or anything. If you're too obsessed or something, if you like too much dolls, you can just use it for your dolls. And so this is it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.